How to change screen refresh rate on Note 15 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Display and Brightness. After click on display and brightness, you will see screen refresh rate is here. If you want to change screen refresh rate, click on refresh rate. So you will select refresh rate standard. If you want to change screen refresh rate standard 60Hz, click on standard 60Hz. If you want to change screen refresh rate maximum 120Hz, click on 120Hz. So you will select screen refresh rate from here. After change screen refresh rate, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change screen refresh rate on Note 15 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.